me and my friends tried to push out the car. The gear thing got worse, so now I don't think it's gonna push start because it doesn't want to get into gear, and I'm bored, so I'm gonna try and put on a cone filter on the car since it doesn't run at the moment. There's nothing else I can do. So I'm gonna just try it. I saw from using general production, he has a cone filter on his car with a standard ECU, so because he didn't take out the max sensor or anything like that. So just even held together by wires, bro. Like, why look at this car? I just think this guy is too much for this car. Like, the problems it has alone, I should have took this car like 10K. I took this car for 24K. Naive, stupid, and yeah, man. I'm just gonna try and do that, because there's nothing else I can do to this car. I need to wait for money for a battery, and I still need to wait for money to register it into my name. So we're able to cut that wire off. So this thing, theoretically speaking, it should just come off. But we'll see. Let's put the camera down. Baba, I'm not really professional, so we'll put the camera down, get it sorted out properly, and yeah. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on and then thing be done. Okay, so strongman right here. Yeah, Vin Diesel. Family. we took this off and then we just put it on like this because we're struggling to get onto this thing. So now I know it's tight. We'll just tighten it with with the hose clamp, and then tighten it here, and then we can't tell whether it's gonna run or not because we can't start the car, but in our heads, that's the sound you're gonna hear. So that's how it looks. It would look nicer if it was new, but working with what I got. So I have this one. Yeah. What is up, YouTube? Yeah. So I'm tired. I was checking the car. I'm gonna post a cone filter video in this video. So I thought since I'm not gonna be able to start the car and you guys hear how it sounds, I'll try and see the starter issue and what it is from my naked eye, and a call from my diesel mechanic father. See if we can diagnose it with my eyes and his knowledge, so maybe we can do something about it, or maybe I'll see if we'll be able to do something about it. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So I'm gonna check underneath the car and see, because from the top here you can't see the starter, or work on the starter anyways, because you have to take off the intake manifold, and yeah, it looks a bit scary, but I'm sure it's manageable. For me, just the scary part is if I have to take out the wires and this, I don't know what this thing is called, the cowl, I think. Yeah, I watch American YouTubers most of the time for cars fixing things, so if my terminology is wrong, it's just because I'm using the terminology where I learned most of my information from. So yeah, I'm gonna be checking underneath the car and I'll update y'all guys.
Okay, so here's the stuff, right?
I really hope you feel the same. Whenever I held you close, you never pushed away. I wanna be the main reason you never walk away. I sound cheesy, but that's a story for an
Damn! I'm sorry.
This is the steering column.
I love you and I really hope you feel the same. On the song about to be completely yours forever.
Just looks
I just want to say thank you for making me better. I hope you
That's
know my
something
love
that
for you
needs to be
will always
fixed.
be
I don't know
forever.
what
I know
off-roading
I'm
course
not
this car was
realistic, but I
on,
promise you forever.
but I can see that it was on some hectic off-roading course. And yeah, man,
There's my exhaust also. But back to what we're here to fix, which is starter. So it's gonna be so dirty after this. So I don't see issues with the starter. Yeah, and I don't know how to manually turn it over. So yeah, so that's my starter, guys. I think I'm just gonna end it here because yeah, it just looks like a normal starter to me. The fact that I know where it is or how it looks like is just, yeah. So I'm not sure what to do there. So YouTube, never buy a car from Marketplace unless you know what's going on. So I find this, right? It's a pipe that's blocked off with a bolt. This one here is blocked off with a spark plug. Then there's one down there. I don't know if I showed you guys in my previous video, but that one down there also blocked off with a spark plug. This one goes here. So I think this is, I'm not sure, I hope I'm right and it's for the PCV. If it's not, I don't know what it's for. I don't know if it's for my cooling system or what, but yeah, I'm just panicking seeing my car. Like, there's too many things. Like, this car should have been worth 5k in my opinion, and there's still these wires here that I don't know where they go. So yeah, I got robbed big time. Big time. So yeah, if you're gonna go and buy a car, please do know what you're looking at and do know what you're looking for exactly, because I bought a lemon. It might have driven when I had it, but these issues don't look like something that should just be like, oh no, it's fine, the car can drive without them being done. You know what I'm saying? Like, I thought I was gonna daily drive this car and give my sister my car. So it looks like I'm just gonna be taking a taxi to school for the rest of the year trying to fix this car. So yeah, send money. Yeah, send money guys. I need to find a way to make money, because at this rate this car will be ready in 2030. Because wow, the problems are just getting more. Solution is only one thing, which is spend more money, and I don't have that solution right now. So yeah. Yeah. Arrancarenya go starta. Because I want to chuma mo. And where are you trying to start it from? Where are you trying to start it with?
Yeah, wasn't good at love letters. I've been getting better than believing forever. Only what I knew was never broke a lot of me, but there's some things that couldn't sever. Made me believe in forever. Once upon a time, rolled it up and for a drive. Had to think, cause as a real nigga, ain't no way I could hide. Always listen to my pride. Only way that I survive, cause when it hurts, they be telling me that it's okay to cry. No, it ain't. It's not that I don't.